Voicemail. Set up voicemail. When number sync is enabled, calls to the primary device will route to the primary voicemail box. If number sync is not enabled, the device has its own voicemail box, and calls to voicemail will route to the watch's voicemail box. From the clock screen, press the Home button. Navigate to and select Phone. Select the keypad icon. Select and hold the 1 key. Select the menu icon, then select the keypad icon. Enter your current voicemail password. Then follow the prompts to check your voicemail and more. If you're a new customer and have not established a voicemail box, you'll be prompted to set up your voicemail and choose a password and greeting. Access voicemail. From the phone app, select the keypad icon. Select and hold the 1 key. You will be prompted to enter your voicemail password. Select the menu icon, then select the keypad icon. Enter your current voicemail password, then follow the prompts to check your voicemail. Change voicemail password. To change your voicemail password, you must know your current voicemail password. If you have forgotten your existing voicemail password, you will not be able to access voicemail until you reset your voicemail password. To reset your voicemail password, go to att.com/resetvm. To change your voicemail password, from the phone app, select the keypad icon. Select and hold the 1 key. Select the menu icon, then select the keypad icon. Enter your existing password, and then select 4. Select 2. Select 1. Select 1 again. Enter your new password, then select the pound key.